My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Ford Focus ST line. This car has done just under 67,000 miles, and it has got a manual transmission. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have voice control as a feature.
Please say a command.
And on the home screen, we can see features such as navigation and Bluetooth. This Ford Focus has a 1.5 litre engine and 5 doors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.